Has something changed with your taskbar with the last Windows update? Today I am going to show you 2 methods to fix the TranslucentTB not working. Welcome to F1 Expat, my name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. Method 1. We will download the Vive tool. Go to GitHub to download the tool. I have left the link below if you are having difficulties finding it. Select the Vive tool version 3.3 as of the making of this video. It will be downloaded in a zip file to your computer. Go to your computer and create a folder to extract the zip file to. Here I will create a folder on my C drive. Right-click on a blank space and select New. Name the folder. Here we will name the folder Vive. Open up your Downloads folder. Right-click on the Vive zip folder. Select Extract All. Select the file destination you want to extract to. In this case we will select the folder that we just created. Select Browse. Select C drive. Select the Vive folder. Select the Select Folder button. Select Extract. All files have now been extracted to the folder. Close all the windows. Select Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Select Yes. Type in cdc://cvive. Now type vivetool /disable/id:260088830. Hit Enter. Select OK. Close the CMD window. Right-click the Windows icon. Select Task Manager. Select Startup Apps. Right-click on Disabled beside on the same line as TranslucentTB. Select Enable. Close the window. Restart your computer. Check to see if it is working. If the computer is still not working, then we will remove the update. Right-click on the Windows icon. Select Settings. Select Windows Update. Select Uninstall Update. Look for the last Windows update. Select Uninstall. Restart your computer. Your taskbar should be working now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.